Hey, 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 welcome back. We're on to the next one. Here goes nothing. I'm really excited about this project. Yeah, we're doing a wheel bearing. We're doing the right-hand wheel bearing. I've had this whole thing apart before, and I've done a CRV, which is like exact same year. I think it's the same front axle setup. I'm excited. Should be pretty easy. Here's hoping it's easy.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I just told myself a king without his crown. Now you girl, you I'm tired of the pain.
Round two.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No.
If you don't own a spool of this crap, buy some. Love it. Use it for everything that I shouldn't. But today, I'd say this is an acceptable use case. Alright, so got that off. This is where their wheel bearing is. And they never just come out. Not in my books, at least. This usually has to be pressed out, so these two bolts here, then we can access it from the back and we can do some press action or hit action or whatever kind of action we're getting up to. But you can hear it. At least I can. $22. Ah. Here she goes. I should get a wrench. With my dumb luck, it's a 19, but I grabbed a 17, and I failed. $19, going once, going twice, sold. Ah, there we go. This one's gonna come out easy. You can see it already expanding up top here. That's awesome. Got a runner. Out this one comes. Look how shiny that is. It's awesome. Alright. Now I just have to figure out how to get that thing out. Now, if I remember right, there's a snap ring that locks it in from coming out this way. But so the bearing essentially has to destroy itself to come out. It comes out in two pieces usually. I'm gonna try hammering it out first. We'll see how that goes. Alright. I've never had this work for me. But we got it supported right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's supporting the metal, like the hub, and I'm not destroying the dust shield. I got these two tabs here. And I got a couple chunks of oak holding the whole thing up. And I got it to move. That's never happened before. So I'm excited. I'm gonna pound the snot out of it until it comes out. Wish me luck. It's never easy. And there's their snap ring. Just like that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Ah, that never works. And it worked. I'll clean these little nick marks up. But yeah, this is how it usually comes apart. I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow at work and I'll buzz that off with a torch. I'll video it for you. Kind of show you how you do it. But if you don't have the tools, you can use an angle grinder. It's a little more hairy, but you can use an angle grinder. probably not the best practice, but yeah, it works. I've done it. I got video of it. I got proof. You just have to really be careful as to where the seam, where it meets up against here. For this one, it's all the way back there. Yeah, but you grind it so it's really thin, then you beat it with a chisel, usually cracks. You can beat it on, grind it on both sides, make 2 spots so it'll come apart in 2 pieces. But yeah, that's how to do it. I'm gonna pull this snap ring. I'm gonna see what, if I can get the rest of this out. Who knows? Okay, I got that snap ring out. If you can afford snap ring pliers, and I'm telling you, if you're doing this job, you can afford snap ring pliers, buy some. Like, I used my little snap-on 90-degree pick and some screwdrivers, and I used the pick, like my pick set, to get in there, pull in, use the 90-degree pick to get behind there, pried it back, barely got a screwdriver in, had the thing snap in like 4 times. Just, I think they're like 20 bucks. Buy them. Don't be like me. I'm starting to sound like your dad, aren't I? Anyways, it's working. Okay, we're flush here. Now she's gonna get a bit tricky. I think I'm gonna support it like there and there. Maybe. Plus, I think this will come out real easy now. I did all the hard work. We got it unseized. Oh yeah, I can feel it moving. All right, winning.